Today we're going to make a quick video how to reset the maintenance required light on a 2015 Toyota Sienna. What you're going to simply do is press this button and scroll over to trip A. Go ahead and turn off the car. Now what you're going to do is turn the vehicle back on and go ahead and hold the trip button down. Let me see if I can put this camera down and do it real quick. Probably not, so I'm going to go ahead and let me see what's up. Alright, there you can kind of see it. I'm going to go ahead and press this button down, then turn on the key. As we turn on the key, you can see it says resetting maintenance data. Go ahead and hold it down and let it go, and you're set. Now we're going to go ahead and start it up. Come on, man, you're going to monetize me. Welcome back. And there it is. Cleared. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.